Hey everyone, here are a couple of short clips of a takeoff and landing in the King Air 350. The GoPro camera was mounted just forward of my forehead, which will offer a realistic sight picture. Also, the video is in 4K, so adjust the settings as desired. Cheers!
Traffic landing runway 8, helicopter restricted, wind 1208, runway 15 cleared for takeoff.
Runway 15 cleared for takeoff.
Alright, clear to go.
Clear. In Burbank Tower, Police 18.
Police 18, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 3000.
3000, Hollywood Bull, 1400 in climb and work the
auto feathers
southwest quadrant, and if I can do that at 2000.
Power set on the left.
Police 18, radar contact, say the altitude.
Right, 80 knots.
I'm at 1600 in climb and I'd like to work at 2000.
Police 18 approved.
V1,
Thank you.
rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up, lights out.
Contact, SoCal departure.
Over to departure, have a good one.
Yacht in, flight level change.
SoCal departure. Is 1700, climbing 4000 on the Van Nuys.
SoCal departure, radar contact, climb maintain 12000.
Climb and maintain 12000.
12, see it.
Southwest 204, cross runway 3, so right at Juliet, contact ground 121.7, take care.
Cross 30 right at Juliet and switching ground southwest 204.
Southwest 1483, contact NorCal departure, enjoy your flight.
Our departure will do that, South 1483.
Flaps.
Caution returns additional traffic, Boeing 737 departed the parallel.
Thanks.
You want us off to the right or left, UPS 9309?
Right turns, UPS 9309 heavy, cross runway 30 right at Juliet, contact ground 121.7, take care.
UPS 9309 heavy, cross 30 right at Juliet, ground 217.
We could turn right behind Southwest here on Yankee, UPS 9309 heavy, and then contact ground on 121.7.
You know where it is.
UPS 9309 heavy, right turn on Juliet behind Southwest and contact ground. Correction, Yankee and contact ground.
Landing gear down 3 grain.
3 grain.
Landing taxi lights.
Are on.
Flaps.
Our approach set indicated.
Propellers.
Full forward.
Radar terrain.
It's terrain.
Environmental bleeder.
Oh.
Surface de-ice.
It is off.
Flaps and auto, whatever.
Flaps coming down.
Alright.
Pilot yacht have to go.
Our landing checklist is complete.
$500.
It's all off.
Great. Perfect.
Hang on.
Tower 1494 Charlie is ready
See if I
for
can
takeoff, 30 left to Bravo.
Figure out how to land.
November 1494 Charlie, San Jose Tower,
I'm
hold
curious
short,
what
runway
that wiggle
30 left
stuff
at
was
Bravo,
about, because our
arriving traffic.
torques were matched during that
Hold
time.
short, runway 30 left at Bravo, 1494 Charlie.
200. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Centurion 149er, 4 Charlie. Runway 30 left at Bravo. Line up and wait. Traffic on a 11 mile final.
Line up and wait on 30 left for 1494 Charlie.
Contact ground 121.7.
Wilco, have a good one.
Alaska.
San Jose ground. Who's on Gulf going to
San Jose ground. Taxi via Whiskey Delta.
Whiskey Delta.